First of all, why switch from the latest and greatest iPhone 12 Pro Max to a regular iPhone 12 Pro? My answer is very simple. For me, it's first of all the silver color. The new Pacific Blue didn't exactly grow on me. My favorite color was always the silver white one. Actually, last year I used the silver white iPhone 11 Pro. At the time that the 12 Pro Max was announced, it couldn't be found anywhere in the world. And time after time, one specific color model arrived. So I randomly called some Apple retail stores and found out that the retail store employee refused to buy his Pacific Blue 12 Pro Max. After an hour I was already there and bought the Pacific Blue iPhone 12 Pro Max. And even after a month of using it, there were no signs of getting a different color or 12 Pro model anywhere. But then came holiday season and Christmas, and everybody went crazy in terms of buying everything that was available. I even managed to sell my Xbox One console like in 15 minutes after I listed it. Even in pandemic time, when we all know that people do not have good financial situation, that doesn't apply for the Christmas shopping season, that's for sure. So I thought maybe it's the best time to get rid of my iPhone 12 Pro Max and not losing much money. And because of the iPhone 12 Pro demand and poor supply, my iPhone 12 Pro Max was gone fast. So I ended up with an old iPhone 6s that I'm filming from right now, so sorry for the video quality. Of course, the iPhone 12 Pro Max model has the much better battery life, bigger screen and better lens stabilization compared to the regular 12 Pro. But as I am not that excited anymore for the newest iPhones, I thought why not take the risk, and for the sake of testing out, I tried to go with a smaller size 12 Pro model. It surely will help with the everyday ergonomics by using it much more comfortably with one hand. It will be lighter, but not that light as the non-Pro models. I really love the stainless steel sides that give the extra premium weight to the phone. The time will tell if the switch was worth it. My main concern is the battery life. So I will make an update on that. Is the battery really that much more worse? But now, let's unbox the new, shiny iPhone 12 Pro in this beautiful silver color. Nice and shiny. I really missed this silver white color. It's beautiful. Even for the lenses, these silver rings. And yes, the iPhone 12 Pro, the regular Pro, has smaller lens sizes, the rings, compared to the iPhone 12 Pro Max. These are bigger. So here you can see the LiDAR sensor that helps for the low light situations by taking photos in low light. So you already know that this year's iPhones do not come with the charger in the box, so that should be no surprise. Let's take it out. Let's see already the fingerprints. You can see how shiny it is. It's beautiful. A piece of luxury. And as you can see, there is no 5G millimeter wave antenna here, so that comes only with the US models. In the United Kingdom, Europe and everywhere else, it's not possible to get them. So, yes, it feels very nice in hand. It really is a perfect size iPhone. The last year's iPhone 11 Pro was smaller, 5.8 inches. This one is 6.1, as the previous year's regular 11 and the iPhone XR. But they came with the rounded edges, rounded sides. This one has the classic squared design. So in the box, as you can see, is only the cable and some and seam removal tool, one sticker, and nothing else more. So if you are a first-time iPhone user, you need to buy an extra adapter, and you should buy the fast charger, that is 20-watt charger. For me, I already have the fast charger from the previous years, and I'm not suffering for the situation that the charger brick doesn't come in the box. So let's remove this. Now we can power it on. Beautiful, 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 beautiful phone. And the phone is powered on. So I'll set it up after a minute. Of course, I will put on the protective screen glass. Here it is. And that is the unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro. The silver color is beautiful. Stainless steel sides are gorgeous. I didn't love the dark colors. The graphite is too dark for me, so was the Pacific Blue too. And the gold color is not that gold as we wished for. It's like champagne yellowish on the back side, and the stainless steel gold sides was like a protective film sticked around it, so I felt with my hands. So for me, the silver is the best model I could wish for. So that's about it. And if you like this video, subscribe to this channel and my Instagram profile @TechYouThrough as well. Take care, and let's meet in the next episode of Tech You Through.